Welcome to Live Well Insights, where we explore simple, natural habits that can protect your health and extend your life. Today we're talking about something many people overlook until it becomes dangerous: high blood fat. Often called the silent killer, excess cholesterol can quietly build up inside your arteries for years without obvious symptoms. As fatty deposits accumulate, your blood vessels become narrower and less flexible, forcing your heart to work harder just to circulate blood. Over time, this silent process can lead to heart attacks, strokes, and serious cardiovascular disease. But here's the encouraging part: your kitchen may already contain powerful, natural tools to help support your heart. Certain traditional spices have been studied for their ability to support circulation, reduce inflammation, and help maintain healthy cholesterol levels. In today's video, we'll reveal 4 remarkable spices: garlic, turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon, and explain how these everyday ingredients may help keep your arteries cleaner and your heart stronger for years to come. Did you know that high blood fat is often called the silent killer? It is a primary cause behind many sudden strokes and severe heart attacks globally. When cholesterol accumulates, your blood vessels become narrow and stiff. This creates a dangerous environment where blood flow is restricted, putting immense pressure on your heart. As these pipes get blocked, the risk of a rupture or a total blockage increases. But there is hope found in the very heart of your kitchen. Nature has provided us with 4 golden spices that can act as natural cleaners for your circulatory system. These are garlic, turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon today. According to the American Heart Association, making small but consistent changes in your kitchen can significantly help you save and protect your heart health from the roots. First, let us explore the incredible power of garlic. More than just a flavor enhancer, it serves as a powerful natural medicine for your cardiovascular system. The secret weapon inside garlic is a compound called allicin. However, allicin is only created when the garlic cell walls are ruptured through crushing or chopping. Allicin acts as a natural vasodilator, meaning it helps your blood vessels relax and expand. This process effectively reduces the overall blood pressure and improves blood flow. Research cited by the NIH shows that regular garlic consumption can help lower bad LDL cholesterol and prevent the formation of dangerous new plaques on artery walls. To get the most benefit, you must chop your garlic and let it sit for at least 10 minutes. This allows the enzymatic reaction to fully activate. Remember, high heat can destroy these beneficial compounds. Add your garlic near the end of cooking or eat it raw if your stomach can handle the intensity. However, be careful if you have a sensitive stomach or are on blood thinners. Always consult your doctor before significantly increasing your daily garlic intake for safety. Next, we turn to the golden power of turmeric. This bright spice has been a staple of traditional medicine for centuries, especially for its anti-inflammatory properties. The active ingredient in turmeric is curcumin. Curcumin is a potent antioxidant that serves as a protective shield for the delicate inner lining of your blood vessels. Chronic inflammation is the root cause of many heart diseases. Curcumin works by reducing the inflammation that causes LDL cholesterol to oxidize and stick to walls. To unlock the full potential of turmeric, you must pair it with black pepper. The piperine in pepper increases curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. By reducing internal inflammation, you are essentially reducing the risk of a stroke. Turmeric is truly a warrior for your internal health and arterial integrity today. Think of turmeric as a daily maintenance ritual for your veins. A simple cup of golden milk can be a powerful step toward a long, healthy life. Moving on to ginger, a spice known for its warmth and zing. It is more than just a digestive aid, it is a circulatory booster for everyone. Ginger helps stimulate blood circulation throughout the body. This warming effect is a physical sign of your blood vessels dilating and moving more blood to your extremities. It also helps prevent blood platelets from sticking together. This natural anti-clotting effect is crucial for preventing the blockages that lead to heart attacks and strokes. Try adding fresh ginger to your soups and stews. It provides a natural kick that can help you reduce the amount of salt you use daily. The CDC emphasizes that reducing salt is vital for heart health. Ginger offers a flavorful alternative that protects your heart while making your food taste amazing. Our fourth golden spice is cinnamon. Famous for its sweet aroma, cinnamon is actually a powerhouse for controlling lipid levels and managing your blood sugar levels. Clinical studies have shown that just a small amount of cinnamon daily can lower bad LDL cholesterol while keeping your good HDL cholesterol at healthy levels. When choosing cinnamon, look for the Ceylon variety. It is often called true cinnamon and contains much lower levels of coumarin, which is better for your liver. Sprinkle it on your morning oats or into your coffee. It helps stabilize blood sugar, which in turn prevents the damage that excess sugar causes to arteries. A word of caution: if you are already taking blood-thinning medications, speak with your doctor. Cinnamon can amplify these effects and needs to be managed carefully. Cooking without salt doesn't have to be bland. By combining the pungency of ginger, the warmth of cinnamon, and the richness of olive oil, you create magic. These spices wake up your taste buds while protecting your internal organs. It is a transition from eating for taste to eating for a long, healthy life. While these spices are powerful, they are most effective when part of a holistic lifestyle. No single spice can fix a poor diet or lack of movement. Focus on a balanced diet, regular physical activity, and stress management. These spices are the golden helpers that enhance your body's natural ability to heal itself. A final important note for those with late-stage kidney disease: please monitor your potassium and sodium intake carefully. Always consult your specialist before making dietary changes. Thank you for joining us today. We hope these tips help you build a stronger, healthier heart. Don't forget to subscribe for more health-saving advice and tips. May your heart be strong and your life be long. Use nature's gifts wisely and stay healthy. We will see you in the next informative health video. Let's dive deeper into the science of garlic. When you crush it, the enzyme alliinase converts alliin into the potent bioactive compound we call allicin. The aroma you smell is actually the medicine being released. This sulfuric compound is what gives garlic its characteristic scent and its incredible heart protective benefits. By keeping your blood vessels flexible, garlic reduces the workload on your heart muscle. This helps maintain a steady, healthy rhythm and prevents premature cardiac fatigue. Scientists have observed that garlic's sulfur compounds can also help modulate hydrogen sulfide production in our bodies, which is a key signaling molecule for cardiovascular health. Turmeric's vibrant color is a sign of its high polyphenol content. Curcumin is the most studied of these, known for its ability to fight systemic inflammation. When the endothelial lining of your vessels is healthy, it prevents the adhesion of fatty deposits. Turmeric ensures this lining remains smooth, strong, and highly resilient. Integrating turmeric into your daily meals is a simple act of self-love. It's an investment in your future self, ensuring your arteries remain clear and youthful. Ginger's active components, gingerols and shogals, are what give it that spicy bite. These compounds are also what stimulate the heart to pump more efficiently. A cup of ginger tea isn't just comforting, it's a circulatory therapy. It helps thin the blood naturally, much like a very mild natural aspirin alternative. Enhanced circulation means better oxygen delivery to every cell in your body. You'll feel more energetic and alert when your blood is moving freely and easily. The cinnamaldehyde in cinnamon is responsible for its effects on metabolism. It helps the body process fats and sugars more effectively, preventing them from lingering. Triglycerides are another form of blood fat that can be dangerous. Cinnamon has been shown to help keep these levels within a safe and healthy range. Choosing the right snacks, like apples with cinnamon, can satisfy your sweet tooth while actually improving your heart health. It's a win-win for your body. Reducing salt is often the hardest part of a heart-healthy diet. But when you use these 4 spices, you'll find that you don't even miss the salt. These spices add layers of complexity to your food. Garlic provides depth, ginger adds heat, turmeric gives color, and cinnamon offers a subtle, mysterious sweetness. Eating for your heart should be a joyful experience, not a chore. Discovering new flavor profiles with these golden spices is an exciting culinary adventure for you. Consistency is the key to seeing real results. These spices work best when they are a regular part of your daily rhythm over weeks and months. Prepare your kitchen for success. Keep these 4 golden spices within arm's reach so you can easily add them to every meal you cook for yourself. Physical activity complements the work of these spices. Exercise strengthens the heart muscle, making it even more effective at pumping that cleaner, healthier blood around. Monitoring your progress can be very encouraging. Seeing your blood pressure and cholesterol numbers improve is the best motivation to keep going on this healthy path. Health is a journey we can take together. Share these tips with your friends and family, and let's create a community that values long-term heart health. Creating your own signature spice blend is a great way to ensure you're getting all 4 golden spices in one easy-to-use seasoning for your daily dishes. Quality matters when it comes to spices. Whenever possible, choose organic and high-grade sources to avoid fillers and ensure you're getting the maximum medicinal benefits. The heat from the soup helps release the volatile oils in the ginger and garlic, making the nutrients even more bioavailable for your body to absorb. Your liver will thank you for choosing Ceylon cinnamon. It's a small detail that makes a big difference in long-term safety, especially if you use it daily. Adding vitamin C, like lemon juice, can further enhance the antioxidant effects of these spices. It's another simple trick to boost your heart protective nutrition every day. Small daily habits are what lead to big, life-changing results. Your heart is a muscle that responds to the care and fuel you provide it every day. As the day ends, take pride in the choices you've made for your health. Every spice added is a step toward a cleaner, stronger, and more resilient heart. Medical professionals agree that prevention is the best medicine. Using natural ingredients to manage blood fat is a proactive way to avoid future medical complications in surgeries. This golden paste can be kept in the fridge and added to warm water or tea. It's a convenient way to get your daily dose of heart-healthy spices. We are rediscovering wisdom that has been known for millennia. Modern science is now confirming what ancient healers always knew about the power of these kitchen spices. Garlic is a symbol of vitality. By consuming it, you are bringing that same life-giving energy into your own body and strengthening your internal defense systems against disease. A clean vascular system means a lower risk of hypertension. When blood flows without resistance, your entire body functions at a much higher and more efficient level. Health is also about happiness and connection. Sharing heart-healthy meals with loved ones nourishes your spirit as much as it nourishes your physical body and arteries. The intensity of turmeric's color is a reflection of its potency. Don't be afraid of the stain. It's a sign of the powerful medicine working for you. Blooming your spices in a little healthy fat, like olive oil, makes the curcumin and other compounds much easier for your body to absorb and utilize effectively. Staying hydrated is essential for blood health. Water helps transport the beneficial compounds from these spices to every corner of your vast and complex circulatory system. Your eyes can often reflect the health of your arteries. Clear, bright eyes are a sign of good circulation and low systemic inflammation throughout your entire body. Combine your spice intake with daily movement. Whether it's a walk or a swim, keeping your blood moving physically is the perfect partner to these golden spices. Stress can tighten blood vessels. While spices help them relax chemically, meditation and deep breathing help them relax through your nervous system for a dual approach. The scent of cinnamon alone can have a calming effect on the mind. It's a multi-sensory experience that supports your heart from both the inside and the outside. Managing your weight is easier when you use spices. They can help boost your metabolism and make healthy, low-calorie foods taste much more satisfying and delicious to eat. Ginger provides a natural way to support blood fluidity. It's a testament to the sophistication of plant chemistry and how it can work in harmony with our biology. Every beat of your heart is a reminder of how hard it works for you. Reward that effort with the best nutrients nature has to offer every single day. Think of these spices as your internal cleaning crew. They are constantly working to sweep away debris and keep your pipes clear for optimal heart function and health. Your health journey begins at the grocery store. Choose whole, unprocessed foods and raw spices to ensure you're giving your body the highest quality fuel possible. Freshly grinding your spices can help preserve their volatile oils and medicinal potency. It's a small extra step that ensures you get the maximum heart health benefits. There is nothing more rewarding than seeing your health markers improve. It's proof that the choices you make in the kitchen have a profound impact on your longevity. Elasticity is the hallmark of a young cardiovascular system. These 4 golden spices help maintain that elasticity, preventing the stiffness that comes with age and poor diet. Take the time to listen to your body. It will tell you when it's feeling better and more vibrant as you incorporate these powerful natural remedies into your life. The synergy of these 4 spices is where the real power lies. Together, they form a comprehensive defense system for your heart, blood vessels, and overall well-being. Long-term health allows you to enjoy the most precious moments in life. Protecting your heart today means being there for your loved ones for many years to come. As Hippocrates said, "Let food be your medicine." These spices are the perfect example of how the simplest ingredients can have the most profound healing effects on us. Remember, if you have any pre-existing conditions, especially kidney or heart issues, work closely with your healthcare provider to tailor these suggestions to your specific needs. Your story of health can inspire others. By taking control of your heart health, you become a beacon of hope and a source of knowledge for your community. Even your water can be a vehicle for heart health. Infusing it with ginger or cinnamon is a refreshing way to stay hydrated and medicated throughout the day. These spices are gifts from the earth, used by cultures across the globe for thousands of years. We are simply reclaiming this heritage for our modern health needs. Start your journey today. Add these 4 golden spices to your shopping list and begin the process of cleaning your blood and protecting your heart from within. Every day is a new opportunity to make better choices. Your heart is resilient and capable of healing if you provide it with the right tools and nutrients. Thank you for watching and for prioritizing your health. Please like and share this video to help others discover the power of these 4 golden kitchen spices. The path to a healthy heart is paved with small, consistent actions. Choose garlic, turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon, and choose a life of vitality and long-lasting health. Disclaimer: this content is for informational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet. Stay healthy, stay informed, and take care of your heart. It's the only one you have. We wish you a long, vibrant, and very happy life ahead.